Which is best for your next project, Lovable or Replit? Today we will break down both step by step so you can choose fast and with confidence. I will explain what each platform really does, show the strength and weaknesses, walk through pricing, security, and finish with clear recommendations for different kind of users. By the end, you will know which one is to pick for prototypes, full apps, teams, or solo projects. Now, if you don't know, Lovable is an AI first builder that turned plain language into full stack, right? And React, TypeScript apps, UI, authentication, database, and deploy fast and mostly automatic. Replit is something else. So, Replit is a cloud IDI and developer workspace with real time collaboration, AI coding assistant, ghostwriters for agents, hostings, and support for many languages, built for hands on codings and team. Now, how they build stuff, we will compare, and this is section 1, guys. So, Lovable aim to do the heavy lifting for you. Now, let me just give you a few examples. Tell if what app you want in plain words. Make a to-do app. So let me just give you a quick example. So make a to-do app with auth and payments, and I will just give enter. So this is a one line prompt, no instruction and nothing. And automatically you can see here it started to think, and in just few minutes it will start creating. So here you can see I will help you create a to-do app with authentication and payments. This sound like a great project, right? So by the time it's working on it, automatically on the right panel it will show how it's making. So within few seconds it will start making it up. Till the time, I will give you some information about Replit. So Replit gives you a full code workspace. It's AI help, right? Refactor, debug code, but you still edit files, manage dependencies, and decide structure. If you like control and custom code, Replit wins in this section. So let's go and click on Start Building with AI. You have to sign in. And as you can see here, Lovable started to make it, and this is our Replit. Now, what's the bottom line? So, if you want a prototype or MVP without coding, learn Lovable because instantly it will start making it up, right? And want to build custom systems and stay in the code, you have to pick Replit. So, it's really depend on you. Now, Lovable provides quick UI generation and simple visual tricks alongside the generated code. So, let me show you. I have already built something, and once it start making it up, automatically you can just give something, information that I want to change something this, I want to change that, and automatically it will start changing it up, right? So think rapid design to code cycle. It's great when you want a polished look fast, but Replit visual is something else, guys, because Replit visual tools and support for design workflow and strong, and it's integrated well with developer tools. If you need pixel control, Figma hands off, or heavy front end work, Replit gives more room to craft the UI by hand, right? So it's not just AI. I mean, obviously this is something you can integrate by using AI, but it will give you something more than that. And as you can see here, I was just working on an example and it started working on it, and here you can see. Now let's talk about the collaborations and all this stuff here. So, and here I was making a very simple test. I was making a timer on Lovable. So as I told you, I can just go and give some basic info changes and it will change automatically. Now what is about collaboration? So Replit is built as a cloud IDI, real-time collaboration, checkpoints, and team management and core feature that makes it better for engineering teams, pair programming, a long-term project, right? That is a really interesting thing to do. Lovable supports GitHub syncing and sharing, but it workflows is more about single shot generation and iterative prompt changes. For small teams or solo founders, that often enough, but for larger engineering organization, Replit is much more mature. Now, let's talk about section 4, that is the integration and backend, right? So, Lovable, scaffolds backend system for you. Authentication, database, common third-party integration. So you don't have to write Supabase. For example, here if you just go and click on show all, automatically it will show you all the details here, right? So you don't have to wire Supabase or Stripe manually. That speed a launch. Replit gives you freedom to choose any backend, connect external services, manage service logic yourself. If your product needs bespoke integrations, Replits keep all options open. Lovable AI is a task driven And let's talk about the AI features here. So Lovable AI is task driven. So for example, if I just write it, 10 seconds. Oh, I mean, this is a minute and this is a second. So this is 10 seconds. Let's click on here and automatically it will start making. It generate full features and app structures for prompts that powerful when you want the system to build for you. Replit AI is a like ghostwriters and agents. So it's an assistant inside the editor. It auto-completes, writes functions, debugs, and you can even run agent workflow that automate dev tasks. A turn for coders who want help, not full replacement. So Replit users, you can use your tiered plans. So let me show you some of the tiered plans, which you can see here. This is starter, Replit core, and teams. It's completely up to you. And including a feature which is in a core, and core is the most popular, obviously, with clearly monthly pricing and credit bundles for AI features. This makes cost scaling more predictable for teams. And Lovable, let me just go and click on upgrade. And Lovable typically runs on credit-based models for AI tasks. This can be super efficient for quick prototypes, but heavy use, many iterations or large projects can burn credit fast. Expect spikes unless you plan usage carefully. So security and trust issues. This is a very important section which I want to talk to you guys. This is an important call out. So security, call out security research. Researchers found Lovable being abused by bad actors to spin up phishings and malware sites in this year. Lovable responded with takedowns and added automated monitoring, but the history matters if you run security sensitive projects. And if you talk about Replit, so Replit is a developer platform with mature control. You still need to secure apps with when you deploy, but the platform's workflow gives more explicit control over previous codes and hosting settings. So let's check which is the real world fit. So choose Lovable if you're non-technical and you have no idea what coding is. If you don't know a single thing about coding, Lovable is the best place to go, right? And if you want a fast MVP, then still Lovable is good. You need a polished app fast and don't want to manage servers, Lovable. You don't prototypes. If you want to build prototypes, landing apps, or simple marketplace, Lovable is a good place to go. But guys, choose Replit if you and your team write custom codes and need an IDE. You need collaborations, versions, checkpoints, and multi-language support. You want predictable pricing and deeper control of deployment. So if you're filming, if you just know this entire stuff, this is best thing you can do. So ask yourself two questions: Do I want the platform to build the app for me, or do you want to build the app myself with AI help? If it is a first, try Lovable. If the second, then you need a team workflow, pick Replit. So if you found this entire video, thanks for watching and make sure to like this video, subscribe.